Hi, I'm Dr. Nidhi Patel, dermatologist and cosmetologist. Today in this video, we will talk about a very common skin infection which is called fungal infection. Fungal skin infections are so common these days that is almost like an epidemic of fungal infections. So why does this infection happen? Normally, there are many bacteria and fungi which live on our skin surfaces, but our immunity is able to fight them off. But in certain situations, when our immunity goes down or there are cuts or micro cuts in our skin, these organisms are able to penetrate the skin and cause an infection. Now, there are certain factors which may help these bacteria or fungi to grow in our skin. Such factors are sweating, improper hygiene, humidity, wearing tight fitted clothes, sharing of clothes with other people like friends and family, not completing a course of treatment when you previously had a skin fungal infection, or leaving the dose in between the treatment. These are all the causes which predisposes you to get a fungal infection. Which areas are affected by skin fungal infections? So most commonly we get these infections in our folds like axilla, groins, under the breasts. But skin fungal infections can also happen on areas such as face. It can also happen in our hands and feet, and as well nails can be affected by fungal infections. Now, what should you do if you get a fungal infection? Firstly, you should go and visit a qualified dermatologist to start with a proper course of treatment, because without a proper course of treatment, skin infections do not usually go away completely. If you are not able to visit a dermatologist as soon as possible, you can start applying a clotrimazole based dusting powder. Please do not use any other over-the-counter medications or self-medicate yourself. The treatment usually consists of two things. One is creams and one is oral medications. Only creams are not enough to treat fungal infections, so you always will have to take some form of oral medicines for it. The course usually lasts from somewhere between 6 weeks to 12 weeks depending on the areas which are affected and depending on the quantity of body surface which is involved in the patient. While you are getting yourself treated for a fungal infections, do keep in mind that if any of the family member also is suffering from this infection, you have to get them treated as well. Otherwise, the infection in one person will be cured, but it will keep bouncing between different family members. How long will it take for this fungal infection to go away? So normally when we start with a course of medicine, the infection starts improving within 15 to 20 days. The itching is much better and the lesions start to disappear. But this is not the time when you stop taking the treatment, because it is just the upper skin layers which are getting cleared of the infection. If you stop taking medications at this point, the infection from the lower skin layers will gradually come upwards on the skin, and within about 3 to 4 weeks, you will notice that the patches or the itching has returned back. So always do complete the intended course of medicines until the doctor says so, and do not skip your doses. Stay safe and keep yourself clean. Thank you.